A busy day tomorrow, already ramping up in parts of the state. Off to the west, you can see all that snow, a lot of rain mixed in there too. That goes down into southern Colorado. Plenty of clouds out there. There's some heavy snowfall in our southwestern corner. A little wider look at what's going on across the southwest. There's our storm system right now, parked just over parts of Arizona and Mexico. That's been bringing a lot of rain and snow to parts of Arizona. It's also triggering some thunderstorms in parts of New Mexico, and it's really cooled them down quite a bit too. So this is going to cruise on through Colorado overnight tonight through tomorrow. As it makes its way over to the eastern plains, it is going to intensify. That bomb cyclone you keep hearing about, it's called bombogenesis. And what happens is you have to have a storm drop 24 millibars or more in a 24-hour period. And when you have that millibar drop, that's what strengthens those storms. And that's also what is going to create so much wind out on our eastern plains. We don't usually get big storms like that because usually you have to be closer to a body of water. And that's usually why you get so many of them on the east coast. So looking here for the front range, blizzard conditions are expected throughout the day tomorrow for the eastern plains. So let's time it out a little bit more here. We're still going to see heavy snow on the southwest throughout the overnight hours, maybe a little bit of rain here in Denver heading into that 9-10 o'clock hour. Not super intense just yet. Heavy rainfall possible out on the eastern plains overnight tonight. Make it a few little hours of a break overnight tonight, but still expect there to be some rainfall. And then somewhere tomorrow morning between about 5 and 8 a.m., we could see that change over to snow. Still have rain out on the eastern plains, and our western side of the state is socked in with snow. And then we see that shift a bit more to the eastern plains with that heavy snowfall by about 2-3 in the afternoon. Still have some rain maybe heading towards Kansas, and then we'll see that slowly shift more towards the eastern plains. And by 11 o'clock at night, we still have some scattered snow showers, and there will still be some gusty winds. It just won't be as intense as it was during the day. So we do have a blizzard warning in place that starts at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Front range area, we're looking at about 5 to 9 inches of snow. But again, you add in that wind, there'll be some more drifting than anything else. More to the southeast of Denver, we're looking at maybe up to a foot, and that goes out towards the eastern plains. But you add in 75-mile-per-hour gusts on the eastern plains, it is going to be a nasty day out there. We also have a high wind warning for our southeastern plains, gusts up to 75 miles an hour. Front range areas to the foothills, we're looking at maybe 3 to 7 inches. So this actually isn't a big foothill storm system. Heading towards Winter Park, Aspen, Vale, all those areas, you're looking at 10 to about 20 inches of snow. Down into the southwestern corner of the state, could see up to 2 feet of snow, another 2 feet of snow near Wolf Creek. We also have winter weather advisories from parts of Moffett and Rio Blanco counties all the way down to our San Luis Valley. A little lesser amounts of snow, but still quite a bit expected. 59 right now in Denver. Hard to believe what we're going to plummet to. 74 in La Junta, 71 in Lamar. Warm out on our eastern plains. 42 in Frisco, 41 in Aspen, and 58 from our weather watcher Richard Brokaw in northwest Arvada. 60 degrees earlier today out at DIA, 61 downtown. We won't be anywhere near that tomorrow. Tonight you're looking at 36 in Denver, 34 in Fort Collins, 40s out in the eastern plains, 20s, 30s in the high country. And tomorrow the highs are sort of a moot point because we're going to see our temperatures drop throughout the day. So we'll get to those upper 30s probably pretty early in the morning. 38 for Denver, 30s up in Greeley too. 34 on Thursday. There is still a chance for some morning snow, very light. It will still be windy on Thursday. Winds are going to be awful out there tomorrow. So even if it's not snowing super hard, the visibility will be so reduced out there thanks to all of that blowing snow. So you may have some breaks of the wind here and there, but overall tomorrow's going to be a pretty tough day. So if you don't have to be outside, just try to stay indoors if you can.